Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fill out a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and now I will fulfill this fillable PDF form and click on this box and type the name and this is your name and this is mail and type your mail name, phone number and so and tick mark. And in this way you can fulfill your fillable PDF form and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF form. Select save. Now close this file and reopen it and see this file now save. Also you can select this file option and print this. You can make it flatten and select here all pages and OK and save as desktop and see this fillable PDF from now fulfill and also it flatten. In this way you can fulfill your fillable PDF form and make it flatten, and now you can send this and share. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.